Hello and welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video I'm going to be explaining how to create a direct download link for Google Drive folders. Now last time I showed a video on how to create a direct download link for Google Drive files. And I mentioned that there were lots of different methods of doing this. I use the method of our application G Drive Linker. Well, I'm also going to be showing you the online methods on how to create a direct download link for your files online. So if I go right here and I go to get a shareable link, you can see that it now has a link generated. So what a direct download link means, if you take that URL that we just shared and put it into the URL of your web browser, you're going to be greeted with a Google Drive interface. If you want to bypass this interface and just download the image or file directly to the user, you're going to have to generate a direct download link. So how you do that? There's lots of methods online for creating them, but most of these methods you have to follow a very specific guideline or they just straight up don't work. For instance, I'm going to go to the very first one. I googled right here, Google Drive direct download link, and I'm going to go to the first one. If I open that up, you can see it's going to step you through the process on how to get a shareable link, which I already have. I'm going to paste that directly in here. And if I go to create direct link, you can see that there is an error with the URL, but I have just tested that URL and it works. So let's go to another one. Let's go down to this one. And let's paste that URL in here. And if I generate direct download link, you can see I have one right here. So let's try to open that up in a new tab and see what happens. As you can see, that generates a new file. So we know that this one works. The other one didn't. So let's try one more thing. Let's see if I can go into my Google Drive and share a folder. Get shareable link, and I'm going to turn that on. So there's my folder. And I'm going to go right back into this direct download link generator. I'm going to paste that URL in here. So just to test it out, here's my URL. It's going to go to my folder. And there's my shareable folder that I want to share. So I have it right here. I want to create a direct download link, so I'm going to do that. And you can see it generated a new file. So I'm going to try to open that up in a new tab. However, if you do that, you will not generate a direct download link at all. Now, I'm going to go right back over to G Drive Linker, which I have right here. And I want to try to do exactly the same thing that I did on this website. So I'm going to copy my direct download URL. So I'm going to go in here, get the shareable link again. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste it directly into G Drive Linker. And as you can see, it says the link is a folder and direct download not valid. All contained files will be generated to a new download links upon adding to list. So if I add this to a list, the program has already picked up that it is indeed a folder. So there's no direct download links you can make to a direct folder, but you can create them with all the contained files. So I'm going to go ahead and add this to the list. And you're going to see that it's going to start building a list up of all the different files inside of this G Drive Linker test folder. So whenever that's building, it's going to take it a little bit to connect and get all of the contained files. But I'm going to go ahead and browse through here. So now it's done. I'm going to expand this list out a little bit, and you can see that we have all these files. So let's see. In G Drive Linker test, the very first object is bin25, that image. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to test this link. And as you can see, there's my file. So I'm going to go ahead and open it, and there it is. Well, let's go a little bit deeper. Let's go into the folder. Let's go folder 3, and let's look at image .vanish.png. So if we go down here to folder 2, so we're inside folder 2 right here, go down to folder 3, and dots vanished. So if I have that, there's the direct download link, and I can test the link. And there it is, .vanish. So if I open it up, you can see that that is that image. Now, something else that G Drive Linker does that none of the other online applications do, you can actually export all of these into a Excel document or a CSV file. It's actually a CSV file, but it does open in Excel. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a CSV test. I'm going to save it to my desktop and hit save. And would you like to open the exported document? So I'm going to hit yes. And I have it to automatically open CSV files in Excel. So as you can see right here, it has the file directories. It also has the direct download links. So if I want to test one of these out, for instance, I want to test out dots vanished again. So I want to copy this and I'm going to put it right back into a new URL up here. You can see it's dot vanished. Now, if you'd like to try G Drive Linker out for yourself, the link is going to be in the description. G Drive Linker is a great application if you need to create direct download links for your files or your folders in your Google Documents. It's very easy. Anyone can access it. And if you just need it for a few times, the first 5 tries on the trial is completely free and access is unlimited. So you can do exactly the same thing you can with the full version with the trial, and 5 times completely free. And even if you run out of trial times, the price of this application is actually fairly small. So for a very low price, you can use this application to your heart's content. It's very affordable and it's very easy to use. So I would like to thank you very much for watching. If you like this video and it was helpful, please like and subscribe down below. If you would like to leave a comment and let us know how we're doing, we would greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video has helped, and have a wonderful day.